Yeah. Fresh off the motherfucking broadcast. And I'm here. Fuego, nigga. Yeah. Hey. It's happening fast. Yeah. I told niggas on the low, but they ain't hear it though. Boy, that man in the mirror is a miracle. Hey, wipe your face, mama told you no more tears will flow. We eating better than we was a few years ago. Send you Western Union on my payday. A week later it's Mayday, so you return the favor. We stayed afloat like some sailors. Bill collectors blowing us up, they couldn't fade us. Bitch, I made straight A's. Go ahead and try to degrade us, haters. But this one's funny, man. 1 year later I was on them phones collecting money. A lesson for me, everybody got a story, dog. Unfortunately learned I can't do nothing for you, dog. I'm trying to run the whole game like a morning jog, with hits like a porno blog. Not hopping out the shower to make $10 an hour. Ain't judging, no, to each his own. You pay your bills and raise your kids inside a decent home. More power to you, but a message to you fuck niggas. I hope your kids grow up and never wanna fuck with you. This punk nigga knocked up 2 hoes at the same time and told his nigga they was lying, dog, they ain't mine. That's cold-blooded, but ain't nothing new. Same old, fuck it though, what's up with you? If you made it this far listening without skipping, then I gotta show love. Don't worry, I'm just venting the late night thoughts of a nigga on a mission. And I rock my girl to sleep in missionary position. Tuck the ass in and then I went and grabbed pen, and there you have it. Words flowing like magic, it's truly accurate. You niggas posing like some hoes up in a beauty pageant. Nobody touching me, it's like I got the cooties rapping. Remember when we called niggas African booty scratchers? Yeah, that was random, but man, so is life. You grab your needle, grab your thread, and hope you sew it right. I find myself fiending for a spot to go at night, where the liquor flowing steady and the hoes polite. The fast lane make me reminisce on slower life. The Unabomber, bitch, I'm blowing up overnight. Boom. Hey yo, it's happening fast. I say it's happening fast. All the drama that I had to get past, will it last? Or will it pass just as quick as it came? Hoes knowing my name, dog, welcome to fame. I pray to God we don't change, but even if you don't, most niggas look at you strange. But I guess I can't complain. Hey man, it's happening fast. I say it's happening fast. I say it's happening fast, fast.
She say I gotta go around in circles, circles, and she ain't tryna wait in line. She say I gotta go around in circles, circles, and I'm not rich. She say I gotta go around in circles, circles, and shawty just so fine. She say I gotta go around in circles, circles.
DJ Squeeze.
Damn, shawty you fine, and I got you running round in circles in your mind. I will give you a second, but right now I have no time. Like I'm related to the sun, baby, I gotta shine. Yeah, so I ain't ready to settle down, and every time she bring it up, I shut her down. And plus we making too much cheddar now, and all the girls on the front row are looking better now. And she said that she wanna get to know me better, and she said that she hoping we can grow together. But I don't think that me and you can go together. So baby girl, do what you know is better. And she say I gotta go